Happening today, nearly a year after a deadly tornado tore a path of destruction through Middle Tennessee, an East Nashville business is opening its doors to customers once again. The owner of Boston Commons on Woodland says it's an example of the strength of his community. Elizabeth Lane is live outside the restaurant in the Five Points neighborhood with the significance of this reopening.
Good morning, Nikki. Shortly after the tornado caused so much devastation, this mural was painted on the side of the Boston Commons restaurant. Nashville strong, and owner Matt Charette tells us he hopes that the community will never, ever forget this motto here and how strong his community is. He says it feels like this was forever ago, even though this tornado hit just 1 year ago. In fact, he had 3 bars hit that night, and you'll remember many people went to work that day beginning the cleanup process, wasting no time. Volunteers who were unscathed came out in droves to help Boston Commons. And Charette says he will never forget the community's outpouring of support.
Right away, I had people calling me, wanting to buy my property, wanting to rent the spaces, and I just wasn't done yet, And the other part about it is, I love my staff. We are very much like a family, and they're very invested in what we do and their ability to serve our community through what we do. And it's just they're an important part of this too.
Now, Boston Commons is set to reopen tonight. There'll be reservation only due to COVID-19 precautions. And Drifters and The Edge, which, if you're familiar with East Nashville, are Charette's other 2 businesses, well, they are still undergoing renovations after that tornado. Reporting live in East Nashville, Elizabeth Lane, News 2.
We wish them the best. We absolutely do, coming back from all that.
Isn't it crazy?
It is crazy.
That it's almost been a whole year.
I mean, you imagine he built those from scratch, and 3 of his restaurants get whacked at once,
and then he goes into
then goes right into the pandemic, and he never quit. Well, that's how he built them. He never quit.
I love stories like that, and so thankful that he stuck it out and his community rallied behind him.
Yeah.